Good morning students. Today topic is problem solving exercise 4.2. This exercise is a very important exercise. Very important exercise because in this exercise 4 marks question coming the board exam without any gap. Every year asking the board in this exercise 4 marks question. But in this exercise two type question. Some questions are without expanding, some with expanding. Using the property of determining in every questions. Every question asking the using the property of determinant, but some question without expanding or some question expand in the last step. Then you will every question use the determinant of the property. If you not use this, then you will not get the marks. So using the property of determinant, this is the compulsory part. So according to the question, solve this question here. This determinant here given. So now start the solution here. Let del equal x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. This is your question. Now first observe this question. This is the C1, this is C2, this is the C3. Suppose we will subtract this C3 minus C1, then what will you get here? Then A, B, C will be left here and A, B, C will be left here. Means both the column will be identical here. Now start according to this. I will write in C3 minus I will write in C3 then operating column C3. Then C1. Now start then equal x, y, z, a, b, c. This will be not changed because I am writing only C3. The x plus a minus b, x plus a minus x, y plus b minus y, z plus c minus z. What is left here? X, y, z, a, b, c, and this will be considered. What is left here? A. What is left here? B. What is left here? C. This will be cancelled. So, means any determinant having two columns is identical, then value of this 0. So now we will end the C2 equals C3. Both are identical. So then result of this determinant is 0. This is proved. Means value of the determinant is 0 because using the property of this C2 equal to C3 means column C2 and C3 is identical. Then means value of the determinant is 0. So then you will get the answer without expanding. You get the answer without expanding, and in this type question is the 2 marks, but some question is the difficulty is more than 4 marks question. Next question. Yes, question number 2. I am taking NCERT question number 2. Same question here using property of determinant and without expanding solve this question. Same question. Now observe this question here. This is a column C1, C2 and C3 and equal here equal 0. What property here will be equal 0. But then means value of the determinant will be 0. This will be proved that here. So now suppose here plus A minus B plus B minus C and plus C. Suppose you are adding the C1, C2, C3, then we get the 0. So now I will write in C1. I will write in C1 plus C2 plus C3. According this way, this is the LHS part. RHS will become a 0. So A minus B plus B minus C plus C minus A. Similarly here B minus C plus C minus A plus A minus B. Next C minus A plus A minus B plus B minus C. This is the first column work. Second column here, B minus C, C minus A, and A minus B. Third column here, C minus A minus B, and B minus C. This is the addition. C1 we write as C1, C2, C3. Then adding the three columns here, and this is a C2, this is a C3. Now plus A minus A will be cancelled here. Plus B minus B plus B. The result will become here 0. Here also 0. Here also 0. B minus C, C minus A, and A minus B. C minus A minus B, and B minus C. And property of the determinant is 0. Any determinant having the any one row, any one column is 0, then whole determinant will be of the 0. This is the property of the determinant. I will write here the C1 equal to 0 means then determinant, then property of determinant. Property of determinant C1 equal to 0, whole column is 0, then value of the determinant will be 0. Value of del equal to 0. Means this is the RHS. Proof. Now very simple question this. Now note down in next question. Yes, question number 3, the same exercise here, same condition using property of determinant. Without expanding, solve this question. Value of determinant will be 0. So now first observe this question. This is the 3, 5, 2, 3, 5 first column, 7, 8, 9 in second column, 65, 75, 86 in third column. Then observe this question. In this column is the greater value square, either smaller and then either more smaller. Suppose we will make in the relation between this and this columns. So how? Suppose we will here subtract 9, or if you multiply here 9 7 is 63 and 65 minus 63 equal to 2. Similarly 9 8 is 72, 75 minus 72 equal to 3, and 86, and 9 9 is 81, 86 minus 81 equal to 5. So this combination will be prepared, make here and get the answer. Now I will write here first LHS. I will write in the C3. I will write in C3. What write here? C3 minus 9 C2. I will multiply here 9, then subtract by C3. Then get start here. First column is now changed, 2, 3, 5. Second column is not changed, 7, 8, 9 is not changed. But here change in C3. What changing here? C3 minus 9 C2. So 65 minus 9 into 7. 75 minus 9 into 8. 86 minus 9 into 9. 9 into 9. Then one more step here, 2, 3, 5, 7, 8, 9. So here come here 2, here comes 3, here comes 5. So then result here means अब here C1 equals C3. This both identical. Then result of this determinant is 0. The result of this determinant is 0. And this is the RHS here coming. This is the RHS. Proof. Means now look here again. I mean using this column and this column here. What using? C3 minus 9C2. Using this property here, solve this, getting the value this. Or C3 and C2 make it equal using the property of identical property. C1 identical C3, then result will be the determinant will be 0. So this is the proof the RHS. The next question, note down. Yes, now I will taking the sixth question from the same exercise. but using the property of the determinant. In this question, not write here expand and not expand, only write here using the property of the determinants. The means or what value you find here? 0. First, now look this question. Solution start here. LHS part. What is the LHS part here? 0 A minus B minus A 0 minus C B C 0. This. Then now observe this determinants. How to solve this question? Get the value of the 0 here. Suppose we multiply as C in this R1. First multiply in this R1 is multiplied by C. Then subtract by this, then get the identity value of R1 and R3. So first I will write in R1. What write here? Multiply by R1. So now if we multiply any number, then we will divide also outside. Any number multiply the inside, external number we multiply, then same number we will take outside. Otherwise, value of determinant will be changed. So 0 into C, so 0 A C minus B C. 0 here multiply, there 0 A into C A C and B into C B C. Rest will be write the same here, minus A 0 minus C B C and 0. Next step here, this and this, suppose multiplied here, subtract 0 minus B here, 0 minus A to 0 and AC minus 0 AC here, and this will come here 0. Again I will do here, I will write in R2 minus, so I will write in R1, then R1 minus BR2, this minus this, R1 minus this, so this will come in the positive form. R1 operating with the R1, then I will write R1 minus BR2, then 1 upon C here same, then what is subtracting here? 0 minus A, 0 minus, subtracting sign here, 0 minus AB, so minus plus AB. So what will become here? AB, first step. Second here, AC minus 0, 0 into B is equal to 0, the result will become only AC. The result will come here only AC. Next here BC minus B into C. Minus BC minus plus BC, result will become here 0. Here result come 0. R2 and R3 I will write the same here, minus 0, minus A, 0 and minus C, B, C and 0. According this way, now look here, first multiply C in the only R1. If you multiply in any particular row, then same divide in the outside. This is a rule of the determinants. Any row, any column you multiply any scalar number, then same number will be dividing outside. But then I am multiplied here C in R1, then 1 upon C divide outside. There is multiplied here, the first one is completed. Next step, I am writing again R1 minus BR2, means R1 minus BR2. Then according to these rules I am subtracting, getting this value. Again I am taking, now look here, A or 0, every number having the common here. 0 into A, 0, A taking common here. Now taking common A from R1. Taking common A from R1. So what will we get here? This will come A upon C. What is left? B, C, 0, minus A, 0 minus C, B, C, 0. Now, observe look here, C1 and so R1 and R3, observe this, BC0, BC0, means R1 equal R3 means both identical both identical हैं, then value of the determinant is a upon c into 0, this will be 0. This is the RHS. This is very simple questions. First I am taking the multiplying SC, then again according to property of the determinants, then multiply then divide also. Operating second rule and solve and taking component get the answer. Note down and next question. Yes, I am taking the first part of the 8th question. This question is very important. Same using property of the determinant and prove that this. Here not write expanding without expanding, but using property of determinant is compulsory. Now look here. First I will take the determinant this and value of the determinant will be this. This will be a proof that. Now LHS side I am taking this 1a square, 1b square, 1c and c square. This is LHS side. Now observe this. How to find this? Property of the determinants. You will be expand those row and column having the maximum 0, then easier to find this value of the determinant. Remind it. It means you are not 0, but you will make maximum 0. You are not 0, but you make the maximum 0, then expand, then it will easier to find the value of determinant. According to this property, these rules, I will solve. Suppose I am writing here R1 writing, what I am writing? R1 minus R3, A minus C, C minus it is not matter, just A minus C, C minus C. So this and same things. Here 3 into 3 order, one more important things. Suppose 2 into 2 order determinants, so applying only one rule, one times. Suppose here 3 into 3 order determinant, applying two rules one times. So one rule this, one more rules here I am applying here. R2 I am going to write R2 minus R3. Two this and this one times you can use, because this determinant 3 and 3 orders. So you can use the two rules one times. Then R1 minus R3, then what is the 1 minus 1 here 0, this minus this equal to 0, here write A minus C, A square minus C square, A square minus C square. R1 process is complete, this minus this, R1 minus R3. Second R2 minus R3, this also here 0, B minus C and B square minus C square. R3 is no changing, 1 C and C square. Now look at, if this subtract in this way means C3 having the maximum 0, then you can expand along this C, you can expand along this C1, then you get the value of this determinant. First I am writing this, applying this rules R1 minus R3 right here. Second R2 minus R3, then right here. But R3 is no changing. Maximum to operate one times. Maximum to operate, not 3. Suppose you are using R3 also, don't use the R3. Maximum 2 operation one time is possible, not 3 operation one time possible. So 2 operation maximum, then applying 2 operation I have done it, and R3. Now look here. A minus C or identity of A square minus C square, A plus C or A minus C. What identity are? Now here look, A square minus C square, A plus C and A minus C. Then A minus C I will take in common. Similarly here, B square minus C square, B plus C and B minus C. Then I will take the A minus C and B minus C common. So now I will write here taking common a minus c from R1 and b minus c from R2. B minus c also available here. B minus c are zero having every factor this. So b minus c also here. Similarly, a minus c, a minus c, a minus c also here. Then applying these rules, I am right here. A minus c and b minus c taking common, what is left? 0. Here left is 1. Don't write here 0. Don't write here 0. Only 1 is common. Here left a plus c. Because a square minus c square, a plus c, a minus c taking common, what is left here? A plus c. Similarly, R2, 0, 1 and b plus c. R3 is now changing 1, c and c square. This work is completed. Now look this. Taking process is completed. But then I will expanding the C3 because maximum 0 is C3. Then easier to find the value of the determinant. So now I will add here expand along C1, this column, then a minus here, b minus here, then I will write here this according this means along this expand, this will be height. First column and third row will be height. What is left here, then I will write here 1 b plus c and 1 b, sorry, this is a plus c and this is the b plus c. Means according this way I am expanding here this first column and third row is height, and what is left here I am writing here, then expand here a minus c and b minus c, do multiply, this is the plus minus plus. Table will keep in the mind plus minus plus minus plus minus minus plus minus plus. This table keep in mind for expanding. I am expanding this C3 plus minus plus. This is the value of the positive here. Then I am writing positive symbol here. Then multiplier b1 into b plus c minus 1 into a plus c. A minus c, b minus c, what is left here? B plus c minus a plus c. This will be cancelled here. This is the plus sign here, plus sign. This will come here negative sign. So minus c will be plus c will cancel here. This is the corresponding b plus c here, or a plus c, a plus c. Minus plus minus here minus. So c will be cancelled here. What is left here? A minus c, b minus c, and a b minus a. But here a minus b, b minus c, and c minus c. So then I am taking the common here and do correct. A minus c, a minus c. Is taking minus sign here common and minus sign also common here. This will be b minus c here. Same here. B minus c will not change. B minus is same there. Taking minus sign common here. Taking minus sign with minus minus here plus. This will become the c minus a. Here a minus b. Because in this step and this step taking minus common here, minus common. The minus minus plus. This will be no change. B minus is same here. C minus a convert here, and a minus b means b minus a means a minus b. This minus and this minus multiplying, then convert in positive form, and this is your RHS. Proved. According this way, you solve and keep in the mind this table. So note down this. This is in this type question is a 4 marks question. So this is a 4 marks question. Note down it.